Hello everyone. My name is Mungela Collins, student number 661104440, University of South Africa student. I'm currently busy with our project, working alongside RAKGASE ME, student number 62615238. We're working on a project for the module INI 3601. So our project is, the name of the project is Smart Traffic Light Control System with Pedestrian and Emergency Override, using our PLC to do the programming. So our system has the following descriptions. It has to be a four-way intersection with the following on the system. So our input will have our input buttons, push button 1 to 4, that will allow, or whenever a pedestrian is about to cross the traffic lights, they can request for a safe passage by just pressing the push buttons 1 to 4. And then the system will also have an emergency switch that can, whenever it's pushed, emergency vehicles can override or just go through after the button has been initiated. The button will be demonstrated by PB5, and then the system will also come along with a night or day night switch that will be triggered whenever it gets late, whenever it gets dark outside. The system will use a day night switch to operate. And then on the circuit diagram, or on the simulation, it's illustrated with an I6 to show that this is the the day night switch. So for the vehicle sensor, we did not do that. We did not include that one in the project, so we just left it out. But then in future we might want to know more about the vehicle sensor, but we left that part out. So our system will have a total of 12 LED lights. We will have 4 red lights, 4 amber, and then also 4 green to demonstrate stop and stop and go, and also the amber one as well. So on the presentation, it's illustrated with the Q1 to 12. So Q1 to 12 illustrates the red light, the amber, and the green light as well. So we also have our buzzer. We also have a buzzer for whenever a pedestrian requests to cross, they can easily press on the buzzer, and then it will allow them to have a safe pass. And then we also have a flashing amber mode, which is illustrated with Q14 on the circuit diagram. So our PLC logic function, stand traffic light sequence, the cycle of how the operation is gonna work. It's that our green light will turn on for 30 seconds, and then our amber will go in 5 seconds, and then our green light as well, or red light, will go for 30 seconds as well. So we will be using a normally open timer and normally closed timer to create a delay and to time the components. So Okay, for this project we used the logic For this simulation, we used the Logis Pro simulation to assist us with it, since most of them were difficult. I'm just going to run the software now. For this presentation, we went along with the timers just to make sure that the timers are there, and then after a period of 30 seconds we will stop that and then go on again to the red. For this simulation, we used the Logi Pro simulator. So we're just gonna go briefly and check our circuit if it's fully connected, and then afterwards we'll just run the simulation and see how it simulates. So it starts off with the red, the timer it's running, and then after 30 seconds it turns to that, then 5 seconds for that, and goes back to red again. So if you check here, my scale is a bit fast, just so that we push the video, because I see it's